Hello and welcome to Geeky Genes, and in today's short video I want to show you how to quickly delete duplicating rows from a MySQL table. So here's the data set. As you can see, we've got 20 rows in total, and let's check maybe some emails are duplicating. Select distinct email from employees, and as we can see, we've got 16 unique emails, which means that 4 email addresses are duplicating. So let's delete them. To do that, we've got to type delete E1, that's an alias, from employees as E1, and then join the table, join employees again, but this time E2, and then where E1 ID less than E2 ID, and E1 email equals to E2 email. As you can see, this less than will keep the greater IDs in the table by deleting the smaller IDs. So let's do that. Let's run the query. 4 rows affected, and let's see what's inside, what we got in the table. We got 16 rows in the table in total, and let's check how many distinct emails we've got now. Select distinct email. Voila, we've got 16 emails, which means that our 16 rows represent 16 unique emails, which means that the job is done, and thanks for watching.